Welcome to ATP Customs. Just want to show you what stage I'm at on my 1980 Blazer build. I currently have my 12-inch leaf springs installed. I haven't done all the shocks and everything. I'm just mocking it up. I used 3/4 ton diffs from a 78 Chevy. It will be getting 1 tons. Those are simply for mocking it up. And it has more clearance than I thought. That is a 12-inch lift with 45-inch tires. They are only 1450 wide so that I wasn't tearing the fenders off. The rear sits 3 inches lower than the front. Super lift, not happy about that. And definitely have way less clearance. So I had to order new blocks for the rear to get it up an extra couple inches. The bushing kit for the rears clearly was different than the front. Had to sand every single bushing for the rear to get them to fit. A bit of a pain. But normally I use BDS lifts and they don't make one this big, so this was the only option. So there it is. Next stage is I have to do the body lift. We'll be unbolting the body and just installing it, but not actually bolting it down, because the whole body is going to come off and get stripped to go to the sandblasters. But there it is. It's got 45-inch tires on it now. Thanks for watching.